Namaste, I'm Archana Pammi. Welcome back to my channel. This is the first asana in the series of relaxation asanas. This is known as Advasana. It's actually Shavasana done reverse, done prone side and not the supine side lying on the back. So you don't need any props. This is a very good pose for posture correction. So if you're one of those people like me who works through the day sitting in a chair or sitting in cushion in uncomfortable positions, this is absolutely beautiful to do it. You could do it anytime during the day. In fact, all the relaxation asanas that you will find that I'm sharing are things that can be done at any point in time when you want to refresh yourself. Some of these are done prone, so if you have just had a meal, it is going to be really difficult. So give it at least 30 minutes to 2 hours, and then you could probably do these poses. Okay, to start with Advasana, let's lie on our belly. Because these asanas are so simple, you can always do them on top of a bed as well, as long as your bed is not very too comfy, like those foam beds where your body starts sinking and the posture alignment gets messed up. If you have a slightly hard bed, then you can do this. So just lie down on your belly. Legs together, feet together, hand in front with prayer pose, and just relax here. Keep breathing. As you breathe here, feel your abdomen expand as you inhale and collapse as you exhale. Gently release the hands, inhale, and you can sit up. Now that was Advasana, reverse corpse pose or prone Shavasana. So this, as you see, it's a good pose to lie down, relax, very good posture correction and helps with spondylitis and also somebody who has a stiff neck, because you are lying down and you are letting it have the natural curve that is possible, and use that to relax yourself and also stretch a little bit while you are into it. Move your legs and hands away from the body, so your limbs are stretching outside and giving it a good stretch in the right posture or in the right form. So I hope this was useful. Let me know your feedbacks and suggestions. Namaste.